Well, rinse, wash, and repeat. Another JK on 40s and 1-tons. I'll show you the inside a little bit first. So we have the grab handles we always like to put in. And then we went with the S-Pod with the classic rocker switches. And up here we have our front locker, rear locker, ARB compressor, and the lights as well. Let me hop out and I'll show you around. So we'll start from the back and work forward. First off, we went with the Poison Spyder rear bumper, LED backup lights, and this thing, real simple. Hit the button, open it up, holds your 40-inch tire on the spindle, and it also has the license plate moved to the center and the third brake light. Kept the white and black classic look with the powder coated black Poison Spyder steel fenders, and then we went with the weld-on frame mounted Poison Spyder rock sliders. Actually, we bolted these on. We didn't weld them on. If you sneak underneath, you can see there's a Synergy long arm kit. We always do the 3.5-inch coils in the rear and the 4.5s in the front. Then for the skid plate, this time we went with Metal Cloak steel skid plates. It's got 1350 drive lines front and rear from Driveline Service, West Sac. For the tires and wheels, Nitto 40-inch tires. This is almost a true 40-inch, and with the Hutchinson DOT approved double beadlocks. We love to use these, air them down, drive great on the highway. Went with standard just 2.0 Fox shocks, and of course, like we always do, the Spicer Ultimate Dana 60 538 gears. This is our 2-inch quarter wall tie rod from WFO, and you can see the PSC Hydro Assist ram tucked up in there. The tie rod and the drag link are our heavy duty setup with rebuildable tie rod ends. And then the Poison Spyder front bumper with the rigid 10-inch LED, Xeon synthetic winch. Right behind the grill, you can see the cooler for the PSC Hydro Assist. As always, when we put the Spicer Ultimate 60s in, we did the brake booster upgrade from Mopar and the master cylinder. So we had to put the ARB dual compressor under the seat. But we stubbed out air chucks in the front and in the rear on the bumpers so that it's easy to air down and air up on the trail. Don't mind those geese flying by. So this thing is basically ready to go. It's time to load up your buddies and hit the trail and put some dents in it. And then when you get home, send your wife to the grocery store. She'll think she's driving a regular car. So see you next time.